guys, welcome to the video. Today I have an exciting unboxing from Louis Vuitton, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So it came in this little box. Let's get it opened. Go. Comes like that. The receipt. So it came in this box, and as you can tell by the title, this is the mini pochette. Comes with the ribbon. This is actually a very hard item to get. It's always sold out online. So this one, I got it in the monogram. So this is what one side looks like. First impression, there is a little bit of wrinkling on it. Says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And I believe all mini pochettes are made in France. This is the back. And then the bottom. One side is not detachable, but this one is detachable. Has the D-ring. And this is what the top looks like. Interior is just a brown interior. There's no pockets in there. Textile card and the SKU number. And let's check the date code for this one. This one says the date code is right here. It says, what does it say? SF4620, so the 46th week of 2020. So this was made about sometime mid-November. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. So some of the ways that helped me get this bag was that first you need to make sure you have an account at Louis Vuitton. I would suggest putting your payment information in your profile. That way when you check out, it's easier and faster. And then thirdly, if you are able to see this add to bag, but you're not able to go through the process, I would just say keep it in your bag, because sometimes it just like pops up, and that way you'll already have it in your cart. It's really hard to say what time this becomes available. It's just sometimes random. But with certain things like this, I do find that it comes on like maybe in the middle of the night. So I had this, like I would say like 2:40 in the morning, and it just came up. This goes by really quickly. So when you have those things in place, you have your account set up, you have your payment set up, and you have this in your cart, it'll make the process go by quicker. And if it does show up, you're able to just place your order a little bit more faster. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the unboxing of this mini pochette in the monogram. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.